Yo, what's up? What up? New week, new bag, Sunday, market open. Let's get it. So far this week, we'll be looking at starting off with a few, mainly focusing, starting off, I would say GU, USD CAD. There's some things we can look at on gold. GJ, I want to give y'all an update on GJ so y'all are fully aware of all the possibilities there. We'll kind of take a brief look into the DXY, and then that's pretty much it for now. So I am still kind of waiting. I want to wait at least about another 24, 48 hours for a couple of other pairs. I need price action to build up a little bit more so I can determine on potentially where the next direction is or what phase and price that we're in so I can get a better understanding of where we might head to. Cool. So we'll kind of just dive on in on today's, man. It'll probably only be like 5 to 7 minutes long, so it won't be too long today. Won't hold y'all too long. So GU, we'll be looking for an upside move on GU. So the range on GU is a little bit wide as far as where I think price action could go up. So let me show you guys what I'm seeing here. Okay, cool. So it looks like we can just rock with what we have. So I wanted to see if I saw any extra levels, but it looks like we can rock with the one that we have. So secondary pinpoint is, I would say, 24. So that's kind of also what makes me a little bit nervous on a stop. The secondary is around that 24 level. So it would technically be literally dead smack where our stop loss is. We shouldn't get that far down. We should react in this level here, which would give us our fifth wave. This should be where we react. But furthest thing down, we might push here and then, go back towards the upside. If I do see that, then I'll more than likely just re-enter the trade. But for now, kind of want to keep it that 28 pip stop loss. That's what's going to keep us in that 3-to-1 range. So just wanted to give y'all the update on that. So our entry for GBP USD will be looking to enter the market at around 1.24285. And our stop loss is going to be at around 1.24000. And we are looking at a take profit. So the first take profit is going to be, so there's a few, but main structurally, it's going to be here because we could react here and head back down. So this level is going to be a challenge for us. Once we break this level, then we could expect, more further price action towards the upside. So I just want y'all to be aware of that. As the week goes throughout, I'll give y'all the updates as far as like in the chat room. So if y'all are not in the chat room, make sure y'all are in the chat room. It's completely free. The link is down below on your screen now. So if you scroll down, you'll see the link to our free community chat room, as well as our website link. If you guys are interested in mentoring or just our monthly signals program, that information is down on our website. We have our email as well as the broker that I use if you guys are looking for a broker to trade the Forex market, as well as our YouTube, Facebook, and our Instagram. The broker that I do use is also offering a 100% bonus, sign up bonus. So if you guys are looking for just a little bit more capital when you're starting off, that opportunity is there for y'all. So GBP USD. We'll be entering there, just mainly focusing on this area for as we push up because we could get that long-term fall there. Final target is going to be 1.25139. USD CAD. So USD CAD this week, last week we just been basically trading these pairs piece by piece. So this week is no different. We're just going to be going with a new piece. So last week we sold off. The box was actually in this area last week. So we had a nice little sell-off, a few opportunities for some sell-offs here last week, here, and here. So now what I am expecting is another high to form on USD CAD. and then we would look for the drop, right? So I am still expecting the drop. Two areas of interest. One's going to be here. Secondary is going to be here. This is very extreme, but we can come up to the final supply zone and then drop. What do I expect? I expect price action to do something like that, head up into this area and then start the drop. I am expecting this drop to lead down into this demand zone of 1.34200. So you guys are potentially looking at, if we do get the sell here, I would go for something like that. If you want to play it safe, you can, ride with that 56 pip stop loss and just kind of let it run type of deal. And then, target all the way down. The ratio is still going to be phenomenal. So even if you go with the 56 pip stop loss, you'll still be looking at a 5-to-1 trade ratio. I would prefer the reversal to happen here. If so, then that should be a good enough stop loss for us, around 29 pips, which would then lead us at a 10-to-1 trade opportunity, so which is very great. So either or, you're looking at a 5-to-1 or a 10-to-1 on USD CAD. So you just can't beat that. So just make sure y'all are watching out for USD CAD this week. This is going to be a highlight this week, as well as GBP USD. Entry is going to be around 1.37137. Stop loss is going to be around 1.37430. Again, that's going to be the shorter stop loss. If you want to give it a little bit of wiggle room, I would say the more comfortable stop loss would be 1.37 650 range. And again, if you guys want the exact signals, we do offer that for you guys, which is on our website. So you guys can join up to the signal program if you guys are interested in getting the exact entry, stop loss, and take profit. Last week we had a great week in the signals room. The week before, another great week. Week before, another great week. Last week we had, I think, 2 losses. We're about to post the calculation in the chat room soon, but I think we had 2 losses and maybe I think 6 to 7 wins last week. So not too bad last week. Week before that, phenomenal week. I think we cleared a couple of 100 pips on that week as well. Week before that, cleared a couple of 100. So last week was, I would say, a more slow week, but we still finished out, with way more hitting TPs than stop losses. So another great week. This week we're looking to do the same thing again. So make sure you guys are with the program so that y'all don't miss out. Gold. So gold this week, I am looking for a correction and then a continuation down. So all of these updates, I'll most likely be sharing with y'all in the chat room here and there. So again, link to the free community chat room is down below. It's completely free, so make sure y'all are in. Gold, I am looking for a correction and then continuation down. So last week I gave y'all gold and we were looking for a reversal here, and or was it, no, I think it was here. It was somewhere around here. So the box was here. I already updated it. The box was here, and then there was a secondary box here, right? So one of these 2 areas, y'all setup look like this. So I gave y'all something like this for the first area, and then potential reversal for the second area. Either way, we got movements out of both areas for, I think, almost 100 pips. So I think this was the first move, so it dropped on around 70 pips. So that's cool. Secondary move actually gave us what we needed, which was around 120 pips or so. So not too bad. So this week, what I'm looking for is actually a correction. I think this high is now established. So I'd like to see a correction and then a continuation down on gold. So further downside, so just look for y'all's best correction. Use your strategies, the things that y'all know, add on top of what I'm showing y'all. Find your area of where you think gold would retrace to and then continue down. Invalidation would be, I would say, here. Okay, so area of invalidation would, I would say, would probably be around that range. And that's just more so on a structural thing. Now, we could go a little bit deeper up on gold, but I just don't see that. I see a straight drop on gold. So that's that. Give me one sec, guys. It sounds like my dog has gotten into something that he should not be into. Hold on. And yes, I was correct. He got into something he was not supposed to be into. Okay, cool. So that's gold correction continuation down this week. Um, Now the area that I'm showing y'all right now is actually just the this week target. I do expect gold to actually continue down into this range. So that's the true goal. So basically, once we break this level, then we'll look to come down to this area. So that's kind of what I'm seeing on gold. But for now, we'll just take it piece by piece, and we'll just target this first level for this week. So that is gold for y'all. UJ update. UJ, um, I am looking for a continuation down. So two areas that I think the move could happen. So we could either get the move here, which we've already started to reverse. Let me update all of this because I just got all kinds of stuff on here. So our first trade, we've been killing these markets, y'all. Our first trade on GJ, I think we tried to grab it here, which y'all, I'm sure y'all remember. We tried to grab it here a few times, and we were able to grab that final one and grab a few pips off. Then it came all the way back up. So then we were still seeing the fall. Area of invalidation was here. That's what I just deleted off the chart. So then we took another sale on GJ all the way down. Killed it, literally killed it. So GJ's been paying us pretty nicely, and I actually don't like GJ like that, just because it just does too much. A lot of wicking. GJ just takes a lot of patience, a lot of skill set. You have to go for the last area on GJ. So with that being said, there's two areas of a potential reversal. The first area is here, and the secondary area is here. More than likely, GJ is probably going to go up to this last area and then drop. So we might see GJ push back up this week to the secondary area and then give us the drop. So that's definitely possible. So just be mindful of that. Or we could just continue to roll over. So GJ kind of is in the middle with the two buyers here, but overall downside is still what I'm expecting. So y'all just kind of watch for that. If we drop fib, that would drop us to, what's up, Clark? Cool. All right, cool. So that would literally lead us into the 61.8, which is definitely possible. More sweet spot, more premium. So that's possible for GJ. Overall, we're either going to get the drop here, which we've already kind of started, or we would get it here. So y'all just kind of watch out for one of these two areas for potential movement on the downside for GJ. Last pair that I kind of want to go over with y'all is going to be the DXY. Right now, what I'm basically waiting on is for at least another 24, 48 hours, just so I can get a little bit more price action. I need to see what price is going to do because right now it's in between. Um, right now, we're respecting supply, but we're also respecting support. So, and support, the support would be this full range here. So this whole area would be support for us in price action. So we're really in the middle. We could go sideways for a few days, and we could play consolidation, and then we would have to end up waiting to see if we would get it pushed up, and just to wait even more because that push up could be a spike to actually go down, or we could consolidate and give you all the possibilities, or we could consolidate and do that same thing towards the downside and then spike up, or we could just continue up, right? Or we would end up retracing to the low and then continuing up. So overall, I'm still expecting more upside on the dollar. Um, we could be due for a retracement sometime soon. So when I say more upside, this is like long term. I'm still expecting higher price on the dollar, but we could see some type of deeper retracement before we do that. But we could just also take off and continue the bullish trend that we have right now as well. So on the daily time frame, we're pretty much just now tapping into that supply. Last week did give us sort of a reversal candlestick, which could lead us back into that low. This candlestick alone, it's a candlestick that would fill typically. So the fill of this candlestick would just be to the bottom of this wick. So that would lead us into this support and key area for us. So just kind of watch the DXY this week because we could go two different areas. So I don't want y'all to miss out on that for this week. Cool. So y'all have everything that y'all need as far as for the first beginning setups that I am looking at this week. I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in. Again, if y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us in the chat room. Link down below. If you guys are looking for a broker to trade Forex market, the broker that I use is down below. They are doing a 100% deposit bonus, as well as our website link is down below if you guys are interested in joining our signals program, where we give out the entry, stop loss, and TP for you guys, as well as our mentoring program. There's a few mentoring programs that I offer. I know I get a lot of questions about this. So the one mentoring program is going to be the online school access, right? So that's where you get access to your dashboard. There's over 40 videos, of recorded material. It's constantly being added. So once you're a student, you get lifetime access to the updates. So there's students literally that's been with us 5 or 6 years, and they're still getting updates in the back office of new methods and things like that. So it's not necessarily you having to pay for the more newer education. So as I continue to learn, you guys will continue to learn. So I'm also dropping another update within the next 30 days in the back office. So all of the students will then see that new course material, which is the new Sniper School, updated in the back office. So that's kind of how the first mentoring package works, right? You'll also get access to lifetime setups and the groups and the Telegram communities. So that's where I post like setup analysis, things like that. So it's not the signals room, it's the setup analysis. So that's what comes with the mentoring package, and you also get a one-on-one session included with that as well. So the boot camp package, that is the 30 days of education. So most people do only 5 days or 7 days of a boot camp package, which I don't think that's long enough for you to truly learn the material. So I offer you guys a full 30 days of education for cheaper than the industry standard of what most people charge you guys. So that's a hell of a lot of education. And a lot of one-on-one time, right? You get one-on-one time with me for 30 days. You get to take the same trades I get to take for 30 days. You more than likely would make your money back that you would spend on the boot camp within the first week. But that's just kind of to give you guys the update. And the boot camp comes with everything that the general mentoring package comes with, as far as like the online back office to the school and dashboard and things like that. But it'll also come with, that one-on-one Zoom meetings for 30 days, you being able to see all of the trades I take. I also give you all of my secrets. So that's the biggest bonus I would say, is that you guys get all of my secrets. So everything that I don't show, anything that I use in the background, any indicators, anything, like every secret, all of my mentors that I've ever gotten education from, everything. You get all of that with the bootcamp package, which most people are not even, they're not even going to tell y'all that. So they're not even going to give you truly all of that. So you literally get everything that I know in the bootcamp package. So that's the difference from that versus the normal mentoring package. Again, both you get education. The bootcamp package is just a little bit more hands-on and a lot more material for you to be able to leave with to help you be a lot more profitable in the markets. On top of that, we have the Forecaster Pro trading software, as well as our monthly signals program, which has been completely profitable every single month since we have launched in July. I think we had maybe one losing week since we have reopened the signals group since July 1st. So that is amazing. Other than that, y'all, that's all the updates I have for y'all. Again, the website link's down below. Chat room link is down below, completely free. So make sure y'all join up. I will probably get back with y'all maybe later on tonight or probably tomorrow pre-London session for another stream. So I'll see y'all soon, man. Y'all have a great trading week. Trade safe. Again, main focuses for this week is going to be GU, USD CAD. We're going to be looking at gold. We're going to be watching GJ. I'm definitely going to be dropping a lot more setups for the team this week. So if y'all want a lot more trades, again, make sure y'all are a part of this Signals group, which you can join via our website, or make sure you're in the free community chat room, which I will put, setups here and there for you guys to also make profits. So you have those methods for y'all to make profit, as well as if you're following us on TradingView, you'll get the updates. So I've been dropping a lot of setups on TradingView lately. So if y'all been paying attention, I've been dropping some setups on TradingView. So I've been trying to help y'all, man, trying to save as many traders as I can, because I know there's just a lot of nonsense out here in the industry and just a lot of not profitable or consistent traders. And they're just guiding y'all in the wrong direction, just to be honest. So it is what it is. But you got to start somewhere, right? So for those of y'all that are in tune with our community and that are following these streams, y'all luckily have found the right place to be for sure. So let's continue to grow together and let's enjoy this journey, man. But appreciate all of y'all for tuning in, and I will talk to y'all all soon. Peace. And again, what's up, Clark, bro? I saw your message. What's up, man?